Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth. Hope you are all doing well. In my last video, I have described you that how you can learn digital marketing from Google itself and how you can get along with the course, and after completion of the course, how you can get certified by Google itself. If you haven't seen the video yet, I will be providing the link for the video in the description box below. And after completion of the digital marketing course, you can add the certificate to your CV as well to boost up your CV. So today I'm going to tell you about Google Analytics, which is very much required if you want to do or if you are doing anything and everything related to digital marketing. So what is Google Analytics? Well, it is an awesome plugin that allows you to track and analyze all of your website traffic. And traffic is just another word for the visitors to your website. So what does Google Analytics allow you to see? Well, it lets you see a lot of important things such as how long your visitors are spending time on your website, where are they coming from, in fact, how many visitors you get each day in a week or within a month, and which of your pages are viewed the most by the visitors. In fact, it also tells you about the age, gender or location of the visitors and a lot of minute details as well. So having a website and not having Google Analytics is like driving a cruise ship with a blindfold on. You have no idea where you are going with it and will likely to go in circles without ever reaching your desired destination, especially if your desired destination is your online income. So how does Google Analytics work? Well, let's say you have a website and the main goal of the website is to sell products or services and getting paid from the customers. And you are running ads to your website on Google, Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Now once you install Google Analytics and register to it, you will get a special code that will be inserted to your website that will help with tracking. And don't worry, you don't need to know any coding whatsoever to get this up and running. So that code will then track where your website visitors are coming from, so that you can see which ad or which platform is generating you the most to the least traffic. Once the visitors are on your website, this special tracking code will help you see that how many visitors are leaving your website before buying your product, as well as at what page they're leaving from. In a nutshell, Google Analytics gives you lots of helpful stats about your audience or visitors so that you can target the majority demographics and grow your website bigger and better. And what's more, you can learn Google Analytics from Google itself and you will be certified after completion of the course. And you can add it to your CV to boost up your CV, and this certificate will be valid for 4 years, which means after 4 years you have to again get along with the course to brush up your memories. I will be sharing my laptop screen with you now to let you know how to get along with the course. Obviously, you can use any other smart device like your mobile phones or tablets or iPads or any other smart device if you are having. You can use it to learn the Google Analytics course from Google. But I would prefer a laptop because Google Analytics gives you an access of a demo account, and if you access it with your PC or laptop, it will give a broader view, a bigger view, which will help you understand in a much better way. Hello everyone, so we are now in my laptop screen and we're going to straight away go to the Google Chrome browser, and you can use any other browser if you want to, and we're going to straight away type in over there Google Analytics course, and let's see what happens. Yeah, you can see that the Learn Analytics with free online courses Google Analytics has come up in the second option. The website to be more precise is analytics.google.com, starts with this and /analytics/academy, and this is the page, home page, where you have to sign in with your Google Analytics, and you can see there are courses for the beginners, for the advanced users and for the power users, and Google Analytics 360 is also there, which is a newer or the updated version of Google Analytics. But at first we have to learn what is Google Analytics all about, and after that we can jump to that Google Analytics 360. But as I was a beginner, I started with Google Analytics for beginners, and let me show you how. And we're going to straight away sign in with our Google account, and yes, here we go. As we have logged in with our Google account, now we can start the course, that Google Analytics for beginners, and we're going to straight away click in this arrow and
Let's see what happens. Yes, this is the introduction page for the Google Analytics for beginners. And here it has been properly introduced that how Google Analytics will help you to grow your online business, whatever business or small cap or, or large cap business you are having. So we have to register with Google Analytics by answering few questions which best describes your job role. You can do whatever which fits the right for you. Anything you want to add, you can add. It's upon your discretion, and you have to click on next. And there are a few questions of a survey kind of a thing. We have to agree, strongly agree, disagree, whatever you feel like for each topic. You have to select, and after that yeah, I intend to complete this course for a certificate of for completion. Obviously, if you're completing a course, you will be wanting a certificate by Google, right? Which I have discussed earlier. We're gonna straight away click to next, and yes, this is the Google Analytics Academy, which I was talking about. There are four uh, modules or chapters, and each module has been further classified into sub modules. So the first module is the introduction to Google Analytics, and you have to just play the video just like this. You have to see that what they have to talk about, and you can see as you get along with the course, one module after the another, they will assign you a demo account, and you can use that demo account and act accordingly. You can actually use the Google Analytics through that the demo account, so that you can actually get a sense of the practical experience which you will require whenever you are running an online business, a website you are having for your business, to track the customers behavior. You can actually use that experience, that practical experience of that demo account which Google is providing to you in this course. And definitely after the completion of the course, you will be awarded with a certificate. So this is all about the Google Analytics course, and I hope you can complete it within 1 to 2 days. If you spend at least 2 to 3 hours in a day, you can end it within 2 days, which is a very short time, and we spend a lot of times on surfing the internet and doing a lot of other stuff. But we can use a few few time in this course to do actually an impactful thing.